Right now, real estate investors and business owners are choosing who will file their taxes this year. What most don't realize is this: the professional you choose this filing season often determines whether next year looks different or exactly the same. And once filing is done, many of those decisions are very hard or impossible to undo. My name is Lisa Marie Odeja. I'm a CPA, an enrolled agent, and a tax strategist. And I specialize in working with real estate investors who are already profitable and want more than a basic tax filing. January through March is when real estate investors lock themselves into tax patterns they repeat for years. Not intentionally, but because they didn't know what to look for when choosing a tax professional. And by the time they realize something's wrong, the tax return is already filed. Many real estate investors assume that all tax professionals do the same thing. They don't. Some focus almost entirely on compliance, and that has to deal with getting your taxes filed accurately and on time. Others focus on planning, and that has to do with how today's decisions affect future years, properties, and exits. They both matter, but they're not the same role. I see this constantly with real estate investors. They hire someone who files a clean tax return, but never asks the questions like, where is your income heading? How many properties are you planning to acquire? When do you plan to sell or exit? So the same outcomes repeat. Same tax bill, same surprises, same frustrations year after year. Once a return is filed, many planning opportunities become limited, delayed, and more expensive to fix. Now, while some items can be corrected later, decisions around depreciation timing, entity structure, income coordination are often far more effective if addressed before filing the return. That's why choosing the right professional now is more important than most people realize. If you are a real estate investor with growing income, or a business owner whose tax bill keeps climbing, this decision matters. It's not about chasing write-offs. It's about choosing someone who will look at your full picture and not just your tax return. If this resonates with you and you're choosing your tax professional right now, this is the time to slow down and choose intentionally. I work primarily with real estate investors and business owners who want their tax decisions coordinated and not reactive. You can find my scheduling link in the description below if you'd like to further explore if we're a fit. Because the goal isn't just getting this year's tax return filed, it's about making sure that today's decisions don't set you up to repeat the same outcomes next year. Now, even if your immediate focus is on tax filing and compliance, there's real value in being positioned with a firm that understands strategy so that when planning opportunities matter, you're already in the right place. If this was helpful, subscribe so that you don't miss future conversations on real tax planning for real estate investors. Thanks for watching.